Hey, Norris. Hey, where y'all going?
Hey! Oh, hi.
Where y'all going?
We're gonna go look for the big bird. Supposedly there's a big bird that flies around here.
A big bird?
Yeah.
Norris, you looking for a big bird?
No,
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a pine cone.
Pine cones? Hmm. I don't think we're gonna find any pine cones. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, no.
No. You know there's a big bird that flies around here? Yeah. It's a big rainbow bird.
Oh, what about snakes?
Oh,
Are there snakes here?
No.
What you got there?
Pine cone. It's a pine cone.
I think there's snakes. There's
Okay,
all types of
I'll save it for you, okay?
There's all types of bugs too.
What you got there?
I got a ladybug. It's been crawling on me.
Oh.
I think it's trying to fly away. It let the wing out.
Hey, Norris. Slow down. Hold up, Norris. Be careful. Make sure there's no snakes around here.
Oh, we gotta watch it.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna let my ladybug friend go. You should put it on the leaf so you can eat.
Ooh.
Ooh, let's find a leaf so you can eat. Where's the leaf? Let's see about it.
What else you gonna look for, Norris?
I just walk on this way.
Oh, yeah, hear that?
Ooh.
I heard something over there. Oh.
Do you think it's a big bird?
Say, Norris, might be the big bird you were talking about, Norris. I hear it.
No, I don't see it.
Oh.
Did y'all hear that?
Did you hear that, Norris?
I think I heard the big bird. It could be anywhere. He's watching us, Norris. What if he just comes down and goes, ah!
Yeah. Let's go back this way. I heard a big bird over there. Yep.
Where do you think the big bird could be, Norris? I think it's hiding in the bushes. In the bushes? What bushes? Over there. Those are trees. They're just little trees.
Do y'all want to climb this tree over here?
Can you look for the big bird?
Can't climb that tree, Norris.
I can't climb this tree.
Do you want to climb that tree?
I think I saw something, guys.
Where's the pet ladybug?
I let it go. But I think I saw the big bird. Oh no.
Be real quiet. Norris, see something. What you see, Norris? Go. What you see, Norris? Be real quiet. We're hunting.
Ah! Oh no, you got scared. Ew, what is
Did you see it, Norris? What is that? Let's see.
Oh,
Oh, that's where the tree goes, Norris.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the tree just fell.
Do you think there's
I think.
there?
Oh, nah. I don't
found
want to
this-
find out.
I found this weird tennis ball. Or it used to be a tennis ball.
Yeah.
What can I see?
All right, tennis ball.
The tennis ball is over here.
There's a big spider up in there.
Spider.
Oh, it's a paint one.
Ah.
Oh, you're teasing me. No, I'm serious.
Where? I don't want to get too close. I'll give it a stick. I don't want to get bit.
That's a paint one.
Nothing up in there.
Where can I see?
Now there's nothing there, Norris.
Where do you think the big bird could be hiding?
I know where.
Where, Norris? Where? Tell us.
All the way in the moon.
Up there.
There? I'm going to get on a high surface so I can look. Whoa. I don't see anything.
Whoa. Oh, you see that butterfly? Oh. Oh. That's it, Norris? Oh, shh, shh, shh. He sees something. He's chasing them.
Oh, look, there's a grasshopper over here. A grasshopper?
He's just teasing me.
What are you chasing, Norris? Norris, what are you chasing now?
What's that tennis ball?
Oh, it's gone, Norris.
I just tried this.
Yeah.
There's a bird on your shirt. There's a bird on my shirt.
What? Inside your shirt.
No, there's not. You're trying to trick me.
So what are you looking for now, Norris?
We're looking for that thing I just throw.
We're looking for the big bird.
No, the pine cone. Yeah, do you hear that?
Hear what?
You're what?
Peace and quiet.
Peace and quiet. Oh, Norris. Man, you got us, Norris. Yeah, we hear that. Peace and quiet. Uh-huh. So, I think we're just going in circles, Norris.
I don't know.
Norris.
I think we're lost.
Norris. Where'd Norris go? Norris.
Norris! Maybe the
Norris.
big bird took
Oh, the big bird took Norris.
The big bird took Norris!
Man, what the...
Norris! Norris!
Norris, where'd he go?
Norris!
Hey, Norris.
Norris! 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 I'm right here!
Hey, I heard him. Where?
I'm right
Where, Norris? Where?
Norris! Y'all see Mr. Norris?
here. They want to take your butt.
Where? Norris. There you go, Norris. Where you been?
I just
Where your brother and sister at?
They just wait on you.
Hello.
Oh, no, there they go. Well, since we didn't find the big bird that y'all was talking about, Norris. So now what, Norris? Norris? Hello, Norris? Norris? Where'd he go? Oh, there he goes. Norris! Oh, I know you hear me, Norris. Oh, 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 oh!
Wow, there's a big spider web over here.
Spider web.
There's a spider on the spider
Oh,
web.
I was stuck.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Oh,
Don't
thank you
forget
for
to like,
watching.
subscribe, and share. Bye.
Oh, look at y'all. Okay, y'all. How long y'all gonna wave?
Wait forever, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget, every Monday we
We
post
post
new
new
videos.
videos.
Yes. Now since we're out of there, we didn't find no big bird.
I think it's still in there.
I think we should go eat something now.
Yeah. I'm kind of hungry after all that exploring.
Mm-hmm.